So hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. So guys, today I am showing how to make music video like this.
Oh, no.
So guys, if you make the same video, please watch full video, don't skip the video, and my request, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's go.
So guys, first of all open the kinemaster app. Click plus icon, click 16 by 9, click media and input your original video. Okay, this is my original video. Now click the track, click volume and disable the volume. Now play this video. Please use tripod for make video. Please make same video and stage to this man. This man is statue, and now jump here. Okay, now you go to here and make same. Okay, my video is ready. Now cut extra part and here extra part. Okay, now go here. Okay, go here, split here and go to jump. Here. Now click here, trim to left. Now see video. Okay, so guys, now video is ready and now input green screen video. Put my video here. Now drag in this for select photo. Okay, here. Okay, click the video layer, click here, trim to left and drag in. Now click here and trim to right. Now video drag in here and this video. Now click here, split, click here, cut. Okay, now this video drag in here and click the video track, click chroma key, enable and drag in here and set perfectly. Okay, now go to the starting point, click here and this video drag in okay, this will drag here. Now play this. Okay, now it's ready. Okay guys, now add your favorite music.
Now add background music. Go here and add sound effect. This sound effect download link in description. Okay, now play this.
And click
Here, duplicate and drag in here. Play again.
Okay, click here and adjust color. Okay, now go here again, adjust color. Okay, Now video is ready. Now go this icon and choose this option for TikTok and export.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed with this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.